How to fix IPVanish VPN username not working. Your IPVanish username is the email address you used when signing up for service when you created your account. If you have changed the email address associated with your account, then the newly updated email address would be your IPVanish username. Older or legacy IPVanish accounts, if you signed up for IPVanish prior to 2016, it is very likely that your IPVanish username is a custom username that you created at the time of sign up. If you know for sure that your IPVanish username is not your email address and you don't know what it is, contact our support team and we will be happy to look up your username for you. When contacting IPVanish team to look up your username, please send them the email address associated with your account as well as the last 4 digits of the credit card on the account if you paid by credit card or if you paid via PayPal. Be prepared to provide charge details from your PayPal account.